How to play Roblox on TV with a controller. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about playing Roblox on TV with a controller. So now let's get started. So you can play Roblox on TV with controller with different options such as Xbox, PC, Android TV, Apple TV, and more. So if you're using Xbox, Roblox is on Xbox One or Series XS, X or S, connect via HDMI and download the Roblox from the Microsoft Store and use your controller. Not all games are compatible, but some of them are. You can also use PC plus HDMI. Connect your PC to the TV with HDMI, set the TV as a display, plug in a controller, open Roblox, and use remapping software if needed. Another thing you can use is Android TV. So mirror your Android phone to the TV, connect a Bluetooth controller to your phone, and launch Roblox. If you're using Apple TV, mirror your iPhone or iPad to Apple TV via AirPlay, pair a Bluetooth controller to your iOS device, and open Roblox. Also remember to use a stable Wi-Fi, and some games aren't controller optimized, so try Steam Input or a WASD for remapping. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.